Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change earpads for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. You have to start by open EDIFIER CONNECTS app, and if you add your headphones to the application you will see the same menu. Right here you need to go to Earpads setup and now select what buds you use. So I have leather and I need to tap at the leather. If you have cooling mesh, you just tap at this one and you can improve your listening experience with changing the earbuds. Just set up it for you. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!